period of time. Well, it was to get Mohammed.
Asita Fernando, 3 wickets. That's the thinking. On his game plan, see the threat of shine.
Oh, big shout first up. Big shout.
Swarf's been good. I thought I heard 2 noises and...
Oh, there's swing for him. There is some swing for the tall left. Tidy first over from Shaheen Shah. 1 without loss. Tennis court end. He's going to be given 3 slips and a gully.
Played that game. That's close. Wow. Afridi is not going to be emotional about the DRS.
Pakistan has had
End of the tunnel. The relax.
but come back to that 11 without loss. No left arm. Well, he's done it. Fast delivery. Perfect start for Noman Ali.
Before trying to save a test match, he's gone.
The series so far.
Oh yes, another brilliant catch. Straight off the bat, Pakistan strike.
In his quest to meet him halfway.
I was trying to be very busy. Over the top. Off the mark. Be enjoying himself. Gone. Easy as you like it. A third for Noman Ali.
Soft dismissal, whatever you want to call it, and this was another one of those soft dismissals, looking for an inside-out glorious drive over the infield. Dinesh Chandni, cover. That's a lot better. Solid. This is good batting from Angelo Matthews.
He was picking the right ball. He didn't turn. Asking for a catch. He's very confident. Given. Chandimal doesn't believe it. He's looking at his forearm. Will he review it?
Going through, going very close to the glove there.
And the process is picking up wickets. Noman.
In dire straits. Dhananjay De Silva, their batsman in form or the batter in form.
Full day remaining in this test match.
Then
Mid-on waits. Miss it. And takes it. So that's a 5th wicket for Noman Ali.
It's the 4th time Dhananjay De Silva.
Dhananjay De Silva, but Noman Ali's patience pays off. De Silva. That brings Hadira Samara.
Gets in the air. Oh.
He stripped it. Gone. We always knew it was coming. We could see it coming. Long.
Very good delivery. Tempting the batsman with flight, getting a bit of bounce, and the batsman was looking to hit the ball very hard.
Ramesh Mendes.
Oh, how close is that? How close is that? It is close enough. Ravindra Vimlasiri thinks that's out. Angelo Matthews is going to have a word.
Coverage coming up now. Impact is in line and missing the wickets. Ravi, it's missing leg batting.
Oh, that is a big shout, and this time it is given. Mendes goes a long way across.
He's in line and missing the wickets. Missing leg stump.
Oh, they're up again. They are up again. And I'm telling you now, the TV...
Thanks, Ravi. Review. Given it out. Back is in line and missing the wickets. Ravi, it's missing leg stump. I'll get you to overturn your decision.
There it is. There it is. Pace taken off, and that is certainly not the way to try and save a test match.
16 he's made. 177 for 7.
177 for 7 from Jayasuriya.
Edged. A bit of fan, but moves to 56. Angelo Mat.
Oh, finally, Naseem Shah has got a wicket. He was completely done. Prabhat Jayasuriya was done for pace. He then looked to play out. It is becoming a little bit firmer.
It was on the cards, wasn't it, at the off stump? Bowler. Well targeted delivery from Naseem Shah. And he gets his second short stay of Fernando.
Yes, he can. Yes, he can. Brilliant from Naseem Shah. Pakistan, wrap it up. It's been a wonderful performance. Complemented by the spinners. Something that you can go forward with and look to